Ignition. Liftoff.
Commander Joy, we have a problem. The drones have been attacked by the Moonsters. Please help us bring peace to the space station.
Gosh, gee, don't they understand that we are all a family?
That's why they need your help. To figure that out, Joy.
Roger that. On my way back to the command center.
Be careful in there, Commander Joy. The Moonsters seem to be out of control.
Up, and away!
Security clearance granted. Spacesuit decontaminated. Oxygen levels stabilized.
Please, Lieutenant Drones.
Commander Joey, out of jealousy, the Moonsters are trying to destroy the whole base. Joey thinks the new drones are smarter than us, and he kicked us to the curb. Well, I know how to use this central drone control to freeze them into hibernation mode. Go to your post. Let's execute our plan.
We're all on the same team. I can't imagine them doing something like this.
Was your space helmet on too tight? It's not all in our imagination. It's on tape. Watch. Sleep at night. Bye-bye. Sleep tight.
All right, I'm convinced. I'm going to talk to them.
Look, Moonsters, who finally came to pay us a visit.
Hey, Moonsters, why are you guys creating all this conflict?
Well, how else were we supposed to get your attention, Commander Joey? We built this whole base before the new drones ever got here. But you treat us like we're alien monsters instead of native
That's
Moonsters.
not true.
Oops. Sorry about that, Joey. Didn't mean it.
See, you're out of control. Give me the controller before you
All we
destroy
want
us
is
all.
equal treatment
We are
and
all on the
respect.
same team, like a family. I will teach you how to use it for the good of us all, but we have to work together.
Just treat us like that.
Now, let's wake up all the drones.
You were right about the Moonsters, Commander Joey. We must work together as a family and share responsibility.
Correct, Lieutenant. In order to be a family, we must act like a family.
Thanks, Commander Joey. Now that the drones have taught us how to operate the controls, we feel like we monsters matter. After all, we were here when you got here and we helped you build this place.
That's so true, Chief Moonster. This moon station's survival depends on us all working together as a family.
Commander Joey's idea of sharing responsibility was a great solution to the conflict between us drones and you monsters. Yeah?
Yeah, you're right. We were stuck here in the cargo bay doing all the heavy lifting and hard work while you guys push knobs and buttons in the command center.
Who would ever guess the answer to the hard work in the cargo bay was packed away in all those crates? All we had to do was assemble the heavy-duty robot. Now, the heavy-duty robot and his friends will do all the hard lifting.
Yeah, as a precaution, I think we need to program the new robot for unity and shared responsibility. We don't need any conflict from a big guy like that.